परमानंद से MBA पाओ और दुनिया भर में नाम कमाओ। Permanent International Institute of Management and Research, now in your city. Guys and girls, if you want to turn your dreams into reality, then this is the right choice. Permanent International Institute of Management and Research, a world-class business school with highly talented faculty, staff and management, who gives you the right option. And surprisingly, guess what? Yes, you can earn while you learn. And of course, something very exciting, जिसे छोड़कर आप कहीं नहीं जाएंगे, यानी कि international exposure. So, this is the right choice. What are we waiting for? Just get set and go. अगर बात करें मैनेजमेंट की, then PIIMR's management is so professional, highly qualified and so talented that these guys with the wonderful experience are teaching those people who have actually proved themselves in the world-class market, turn their lives and actually turn their dreams into reality. Talking about something more, before we go further, we just want to tell you one thing, that if you want to go for it, then let's try for it. PIIMR have received affiliation, accreditation and partnership of various world-class universities: IVH University USA, TGO University, SVSI University, IIBM Pune and Lani New York USA. And these education foundations have proved themselves with the quality education and of their repute to provide you the best. What are we waiting for? Just go for it so that you can actually take the right choice and the right option, and PIIMR is the right one. Today, our traditional education system is actually testing your bookish knowledge and memory. But what about sharpening your intellect? Absolutely zero. Well, अगर इसे बेहतर तरीके से कहा जाए तो आज के हमारे ट्रेडिशनल एजुकेशन सिस्टम में आपसे 10 सवाल पूछे जाते हैं और अगर आप 10 में से 10 सही जवाब देते हैं तो आपको फुल मार्क्स मिलते हैं। लेकिन किंतु परंतु मेरे बंधु ध्यान दीजिए, यहाँ पर हम अपने मल्टीपल एजुकेशन प्रोग्राम्स के तहत आपके मेमोरी के साथ साथ आपके इंटेलेक्ट को भी शार्पन करते हैं। कहीं होता है ऐसा भैया? वेल, जोक्स अपार्ट, और यही नहीं, ये सभी चीजें इन अ वेरी नॉमिनल एंड सब्सिडाइज्ड फी। हियर यू विल गेट 5 wonderful, powerful packages in terms of your education just in the cost of 1, and that too at the same time, यानी कि 2 साल के MBA के अंदर। इसे कहते हैं आम के आम और गुठलियों के दाव। We provide MBA full-time, postgraduate diploma in business management, diploma in profound personality by IVHU USA, taught by personality and management gurus, diploma in American accent English by Lani USA, diploma in online business management. Well, here we provide you absolutely 5 wonderful packages just at your doorstep, at your nominal fee, and at the same time, that is 2 years of your wonderful MBA. हिंदुस्तान में एक कहावत है, मन चंगा तो तन चंगा, यानी कि a healthy mind makes a healthy body, and a healthy body is very necessary for obtaining right knowledge at your steps. And here, PIIMR is absolutely taking right steps and at right direction in providing and attaining your total health. Guys, यहाँ पर मौजूद है वो सारी सुविधाएं, वो सारी चीजें जिससे कि आप अपने तन के साथ साथ मन को रख सकते हैं absolutely hit and fit. यानी कि we are providing you gym, हेल्थ फैसिलिटीज, बैडमिंटन, स्पोर्ट्स में आप पाएंगे टेनिस वगैरह वगैरह। यानी कि अगर आप चाहते हैं कि आपके पढ़ाई के साथ साथ आपकी बॉडी, आपका फिगर, आपका फिजिक रहे फिट, तो आप कहे जाएं high collared MBA aspirants, then you guys must go for it because PIIMR is giving you the right one. Hey guys, do you know that your external body is being controlled by your inner senses, and your senses are actually controlled by your intellect. your intellect, your mind is actually controlled by the inner soul. And to purify it, to actually concentrate on it, to give you the right positive vibrations and right positive results, to get in touch with them is very necessary. And you know what? Here we are providing you these all qualities just at one doorsteps. Guess what? PIIMR is providing you the wonderful facility to actually control everything and be a positive MBA aspirant by providing you a wonderful facility called yoga. So who knows that you could be the right positive MBA aspirant and turning your dreams into reality in the best possible way. I want to go for it. Do you? Well guys, it's a human tendency to learn from others' mistakes and experience and get ourselves successful. PIIMR is getting yourself actually getting associated with various such institutes which are providing you the club kind of relationships. Now you must be guessing about what exactly is this club kind of relationships. Well, these guys are providing you to get yourself accommodated, accumulated and get associated with AMBA and 22 such clubs. Say for example, if you are actually interested in music, in marketing and somebody else in media, these are actually getting you associated in the form of clubs into various other streams, which might be possible that no other institute actually provides you. So in case you want to do your MBA along with some club members of your music, some club members of your marketing or some club members of your marketing के साथ साथ media, then this is the actual institute which is giving you these kind of such opportunities, and we are actually called as PIIMR. Here at PIIMR, we have already planned to bring those high standards of education, the features of the world topmost business school. For example, Harvard University, Oxford, MIT, or say for example, Kellogg University, who are giving you the world-class education in order to turn yourself and give you great opportunities to mold yourself in the right choice, right direction to prove yourself the best possible way in the international business and world market. We have got corporations and tie-ups from various banks who are actually providing their banking services in terms of providing you educational loan to the right candidate. आज का जमाना हाईटेक और इंटरनेट का हो गया है, यानी कि www. Well, इसी हाईटेक और इंटरनेट के जमाने में we are providing you 24 hours internet services, and here you can actually get yourself a Wi-Fi campus so that you can access to internet anytime, anywhere and any moment. What more? This is why I say go east, go west. PIIMR is the best. We are catering faculties right from NRI to foreigners to nationals who are giving you the quality education and experience, improving the skills of all the candidates and the students to prove themselves best and to sharpen their professional skills. This is what PIIMR is all about. We are planning to provide you a wonderful educational air conditional building. Well, वो इसलिए ताकि गर्मी के मौसम में आपको चुभती जलती गर्मी का एहसास ना हो. इसी के साथ साथ we are providing you, actually it's under process that we are giving you a wonderful canteen and a modern facility hostel. Apart from this, last but not the least, hey guys, library is supposed to be the heart of knowledge, and we are planning to give you a wonderful A-class facility in your own library so that you can have everything under one roof, which is known as PIIMR. Foreign education tour as well as national education tour will be the part of your MBA. You could travel abroad, say for example, Singapore, Hong Kong, Europe and lots more places. Practical exposure to business